We will generate presentations today with the help of the Tome app. I will use the paid version so you can see how it all works from the inside. On top of it, we will see what kind of structure should you use for your prompts. And lastly, we will see how you can get yourself actually to a position where you can just earn money with this. Now, truth be told, AI is becoming more and more advanced by the day, and each day brings a fresh array of miraculous tools. While some may view it as a threat, I see it as an incredible opportunity, and I honestly think that people should view this that way. It enables you to accomplish more in less time. Whether we're ready or not, AI is unstoppable. Yeah, but actually I enjoy immersing myself in learning about AI, experimenting with new tools, and turning them into allies instead of adversaries. So, without any further ado, let me demonstrate another AI marvel, the ability to effortlessly create entire presentations from start to finish. From scripting and outlining to designing slides and sourcing unique images, this gave me stunning results. Now, of course, you can just Google for it. It is over at tome.app. And yeah, you can use it for free. So it can be used for free, but you can't generate with AI. I'm going to talk about that later. And what this allows us to do is to create presentations with the prompt, like ChatGPT, but for presentations. So the first step, go over to tome.app. Click on Get Started here, and then just make yourself an account. You can continue just with Google. Then just create your profile, some info about your work, and create your workspace. Right away, they will just offer you to switch to a paid version of it, and this is the one that will allow you to use generative AI. But of course, you can always start with the basic one. The only thing that you cannot use if you do not pay for it is this, Generate with AI. That is the most powerful feature, and I'll just show you from the inside how it works. But if you want to use this for free, you can always browse for these templates for designers. You can just browse the templates and you can just edit them manually. There's a lot of templates that you can use. It reminds me of canva.com, but just for presentations. And you can, of course, use any one of these, edit them the way which you want, and then just download it for your project, for your school project, whatever you're working on. Since I have a paid plan, I'll just show you from the inside how the AI works. And all you have to do is to write the prompt, but it has to be detailed. The quality of your input is huge, all right? It plays a huge role. Providing a detailed prompt to an AI tool is crucial. So this is my dashboard. And here in the top right, you can see Generate with AI. If you click on it, as you can see, Generate Presentation. What's your presentation about? Here on the right-hand side, you've got a few of these examples on how prompts should look like. A detailed prompt helps the AI understand exactly what you're asking for, reducing the chances for misinterpretation or generating irrelevant responses, right? So the more detailed you are, the better the end result is going to be. The context is key for generating meaningful responses. You have some of the examples here, and there's a lot of people talking about it online, but detailed prompts provide context about the topic, the desired tone, and any specific requirements. And overall, detailed prompts, it just allows you to communicate more, to communicate better with the AI tool, leading to more accurate results. Now, there is something that I wanted to make, and it's like a mobile application for a fitness tracking platform. And this is what I'll use now, and later, of course, I can show you some of these examples, how they work. So, firstly, we will generate the outline for it. And you'll get to choose which one of these goes in which order, and then you can choose the layouts here. So if you click on choose layouts, this is the first step, all right, where you choose how it's going to start, whether it's going to be a picture on the right, whether it's going to be a different picture, whatever. And you can do this for every page in particular. Once you're done with it, you just go over and click on next page. But if you don't want it to, you can just generate the presentation right away, and it's going to do the work on its own. Of course, you can always edit this later. So as you can see, it is generating the presentation right away. And this is something that is done really fast. As you're able to see, presentation has been created in under 20 seconds. And here on the left, you've got every page of it. And as I've told you, you can always change whatever you see on a particular page. As you can see right here, you've got this here. So you can create page about, you can generate the image if you would like AI to generate another image from you. Or you can just upload the media from your own device. You can search images from web. You can add text. You can add tables. whatever you have, whatever resource you've got in order to make your presentation better, you can import that with one click of a button. And then, of course, once you're satisfied, you can export this to PDF. This is the only format. Now, as you can see, you can even put yourself into a voiceover position. If you've got someone to do the voiceovers for you, or if you just want to do it yourself, you can do that as well. Also, there's a lot of buttons on the right. So if you just want to add text, you can just click on here, pictures, media here, or you can generate with AI. Then we've got some shapes, we've got tables, and this is really good. You can just choose the number of rows and columns, just like that. You have some charts. This is work related. Then you've got some more tiles, which is connected to certain apps that you might use. And then there is set theme. This is for the entire tome, and this is for each page in particular. So you've got some of these themes, and of course you can choose like to change headings or paragraphs separately. So this is how AI does it. I want to show you one more thing, and it's going to be for a school project. So if you like want to just get this, so a tale of Greek mythology. I'll just generate this presentation right away. So as you can see, while it's being done, I'll just move back to the first page. As you can see, it gives you the watercolor images. It is really good, and you've got plenty of these. You can always change the pictures, as you can see. So just click on it, and here you can decide to generate another picture, for example. Instead of Mount Olymp, let's just go with Zeus god. All right, so let's just do it like that. I'll keep the same prompt here. And of course, you're gonna get a few of these results. And of course, you can choose for yourself. Look at this one, it's really good. You can always reposition the picture like this. You can see how it looks like. And then on it goes. Now, if you wanted to share this with somebody, you can grant the view access only. So you can just click on the share button here. And here, you can just type in the emails or names, and you can change from full access to can play, can comment, can edit. Now, you can also just choose anyone with the link. So if you send the link to someone can play it, but they do not have the edit access unless you do it like this and click here and can edit and just enter the email or something. But you can just give the people the right to view the presentation by just clicking on copy link, and anyone with the link can play. And that's it. You can also invite teammates to collaborate. It's going to be done at the same way here. So full access, you will just enter the email, but they will have to make an account to make edits. If you just want to send this to people so they can just see it, you don't have to make an account for it. And of course, once you're happy with this, you can just export this to PDF. Click here, click on export to PDF, and Tome doesn't currently support exporting to other formats such as maybe PowerPoint presentation, but you can edit, present, and share from Tome, and you don't need PowerPoint at all. And honestly, this is really good for class lectures as well. For example, have a look at this prompt, just an example here. So generate the outline for it. It can get you prepared in seconds, right? And it's actually pretty fast tool. I'm really surprised by it. And yeah, you can make a lot of money with it. People are just making money on Fiverr. It's just crazy. Have a look at these prices. For example, this person has sold over 800 of these. I can surely say that is way over 1K sales, because not everyone is going to leave the review. But $40 for something like this that can be done in like 1 to 5 to maybe 10 minutes if you're just going to go really detailed about it. Have a look at this, $90 for 1K plus sales. There's a lot of opportunity with this one. And yeah, honestly, it's not expensive. I'm not affiliating for them or something like that. This is not a sponsored video, but I honestly think that $16 per month, you can make this with one presentation, right? So it's not expensive, but it's really good, really neat, really powerful AI tool that you can use anytime, anywhere. So yeah, wish you good luck, and yeah, happy creating. Catch you next time.